Okay, friends, I'm Dr. Heena and today for scholarship grade 4, our today's topic is classification, which is based on the subject intelligent test. Now, in this classification, there are four properties given to you, and all the three have some relation in between them, and one is odd there. Okay, so these questions may be based on words, numbers, figures, and letters. So there are four subtopics in the classification. Okay. Now, before solving the problem that are based on words, you must know the topics that are related to language, science, history, geography, and civics. Okay. Now we will directly move to practice exercise. Now see, in the practice exercise, the very first question is in which we have to find out the odd one out, and there are four objects given to you, and you have to find odd in that. So first question is ear, nose, hand, and eyes. If you look carefully, all these are the sensory organs, but not the hand. So hand is the odd one out there. Okay, in the next question, spring, lake, stream and river. So spring is a moving thing. झरा आपण ज्याला म्हणतो मराठीमध्ये. Lake is pond or तलाव. Okay, stream again stream is a moving flow of water and river is also flow of water. So if you look carefully, all three are moving, but not the lake. Lake is a still, so lake is the odd one out there. Now the next one is kho-kho, langdi, carom, kabaddi. So if you look carefully, all the three games belongs to outdoor games and not the carom because it is an indoor game. So carom is the odd one out here. Okay, the next one, Varsha, these two you try at home. After I will explain this after, now, today and this year. So if you look carefully, now, today, this year, all these represent the present tense, but after represent the past tense. So after is a odd one out here. Okay. Now the next one. Okay. So okay. So the next one is ginger, potato, radish, and elephant's foot. Now, if you look carefully, all the other than radish belongs to stem of the plant, but radish is a root, so radish is the odd one out here. Okay, so in this way you can try to solve the sums because they are belonging to some categories. I will just take one sum in the middle and then we'll go to the next topic. Okay, now see, Hindi, Marathi, Malwani and Punjabi. So Hindi, Marathi and Punjabi represents the state language, but Malwani is the sub language in the Marathi. So Malwani is the option which is here the odd one out. Okay, now again see blue, indigo, violet and black. So the colors that are representing the rainbow color, they belongs to one category, and the black is not the color which is there in the rainbow. So Vibjor we say, so black is the odd one out here. Okay. Okay, now magazine, comic, book, notebook. So all the three, this belongs to the category book. Notebook is wahi we say. So notebook are the odd one out here. Like this, you can go for the rest of the sum. and I hope you will able to solve it. So I will take the next subtopic in it. So this topic is based on number. So here there is a relation or there is a pattern which uh, uh, three numbers follow this pattern and one is odd here. Okay, so before you solve the sums for this topic, you must know about the Roman digits, you must know about the fraction, triangular, square number, odd even number, twin prime number, four prime number, 1 to 30 table, 1 to 20 cubes, 1 to 10 prime numbers or prime numbers from 1 to 100 also. So all these topics you must know. So for this you refer our math series. Now we'll directly move to the practice exercise where we have to solve the sums. Now see here the given practice exercise. Again we have to find the odd one out. So in the very first problem is in which the figures are given like 901, 362, 35 and 82. So if you look carefully, 900 is a perfect square. So it is the square of 30 and 1 is added in it. 81 is a perfect square of 9 and 1 is added to it. 362 is the perfect square of 19 and 1 is added in it. But you look 35, 36 is the nearer square to 35, but 1 is subtracted from 36. So the odd one out here is 35. Okay, now the next one, 2431365215721342. So here if you look carefully, the number is divisible by 3. So check which number is not divisible by 3. So 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 एक minute, 6 9 1. It becomes 10. 4 plus 4 8 9. Then here 9 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 2 16, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 7 13 plus 2 15, 1 3 4 2, 4 plus 4. So if you look carefully, this 1 3 4 2, this 3 6 5 2 and this 2 4 3 1, all the numbers are not divisible by 3, but the 1572 is divisible by 3. So the correct choice is 1572. Okay, now 73 39 69 87, again the divisibility test is here applied. So 73 is not divisible by 3 as its addition is 10. 3 9 is equal to 12, which is divisible by 3. 6 9 is equal to 15, which is divisible by 3, and 8 plus 7 also divisible by 3. So 73 is the odd one out here. Now in the next question, 81, 49, 36 and 18. So all these are the square of the number. 81 is 9 ka square, 49 is 7 ka, and 36 is 6 square. But 4 square is 16, not the 18. So 18 is the odd one out here. Okay. Now we'll move ahead. Now see, 4164, 4328, 3279, 3176. Now if you look carefully, this first number and end number if multiplied, the middle numbers are the answer. 4 4 are 16, 4 8 are 32, 3 9 are 27, but 3 6 are 18, not the 17. So this is odd one out here. Okay, now 5249, 2649, 5492, 5294. Same digits are used in these three numbers, but not this. So this is an odd one out. Now like this you can solve. We'll left some sum you try at home, and I will take the 13 number ka sum where fraction is given 10 upon 4, 8 upon 6, 11 upon 3 and 4 upon 6. So if you simplify it, it becomes 5 upon 2. Okay. But okay, then this become 4 upon 3, this become 11 upon 3, and this become 2 upon 3. But there is no similarity in these two. So we'll change the thinking. So 10 plus 4 become 14, 8 plus 6 become 14, 11 plus 3 becomes 14, but 4 plus 6 become 10. So sum of numerator and denominator everywhere is a 14, but not here. So this is an odd one out here. Okay. Now again 102, 51, 153 and 123. If 120, if you look carefully, all the numbers are divisible by 70 except 120. So 120 is the odd one out here. 17 3s are 51, 17 9s are 153 and 17 6s are 102. Okay, now here 7 upon 3, 16 upon 4, 20 upon 6 and 18 upon 5. So if you look carefully, this is not completely divisible. 4 upon 16 is equal to 4, which gives us the answer as integer. 20 upon 6, if we simplify, it becomes 10 upon 3, and 18 upon 5 remains as it is. So all these are belongs to the term rational number, but this is integer. So 16 upon 4 is the odd one out here. Okay, now I will left some sums for you. I will take the sums that are based on Roman numbers. Now see, XL, L, XC and VV. So we can write the number XL, which is 40. L is equal to 50. C means 100. So 100 minus 10, 90. This is 50. This is 40. But we cannot repeat V, means 5. So this is the wrong. This is not a Roman number. Now see, 24th number sum, 26, 24, 36, 16, 14, 36, 18, 32. If you look carefully, if you add both the numbers, 26 plus 24 become 50, 36 plus 16 becomes 52, 14 plus 36 becomes 50, and 18 plus 32 becomes 50. So all the other numbers ka sum is 50, but this is the odd one out here. Now again the next Roman number sum we will check. Now see, here 16:45 hours is the odd one out because it shows the afternoon time, pre-midday, and A star the pre-midday time, before afternoon ka time. So this is an odd one out here. Now for this, it is number 7, this is number 10, this is number 8, and this is number 14. Okay. Now which one is odd here? So all the numbers are even number, but 7 is a odd number. So 7 is the odd one here. Okay. So like this you have to think and you can give the answer. Again here if you look carefully, 9 bracket in the bracket 12 and 3, 12 in the bracket 14 and 5, 14 in the bracket 12 and 6, 11 in the bracket 8 and 7. So if you look carefully, subtract 9, do the subtraction like 9 minus 3, it becomes 6, and you have to multiply 6 with 2. 12 minus 5 becomes 7. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 14 minus 6 gives us the answer as 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. So here should be 16. And 11 minus 7 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So all others are following the pattern which I told you, but not the this. So this is the odd one term here. Again here in this sum you have to check whether the Roman numerals and international numerals match each other. One which does not get matched, that is your odd terms. So all these are the problems that are based on the numbers. Now the next topic is based on figure. So we will solve some sums. Figure pattern sums are very easy. So I insist you to try more and more sums on your own. Now see, in the practice exercise, very first exercise, if you look carefully, the letter I, the letter Z, letter H and letter M is given. So here three line segment are used. Here three line segment are used. Here three line segment are used. But not here. Here four line segments are used. So this is the odd term. Now look here. This was your wrong. Pentagon is here, and inside the pentagon, hexagon is drawn. Means one line segment is added. Square is here, triangle is given. Square has four sides, triangle has three sides. So here they subtract one line segment. But I will not judge on the basis of these two. I will check the further which pattern these two follow out of these two. So square is there, and inside the square pentagon is there. Means one line segment is added. Triangle is there and square is inside. So again one line segment is added. So the odd one is this one, where one line segment is subtracted. Okay, now in the next figure, if you look carefully, triangle is divided into three equal parts. Circle is not divided, so this is the odd term mostly, but I will check further. Now see, square is divided into equal segments, and here pentagon is there, but it is not divided into five equal parts. So the pattern is different here. So see, triangle has three parts, circle has three parts, pentagon has three parts, but the square has four parts. So square is the odd term here, because all the other figures are divided into three parts, not the equal one, but the three parts. Okay, now check this figure. Plus addition, subtraction, triangle, square. Addition, subtraction, triangle, square. Addition, subtraction, triangle, square. They are following the clockwise pattern, like addition, subtraction, triangle, square. But here anti-clockwise pattern is given, where addition, behind the addition there is a triangle, there is a subtraction sign, there is a triangle, there is a square. So fourth figure is the odd figure, where the figure inside the square follows the anti-clockwise pattern. Okay, now you can do for the next, and again the next sum you can try on your own, because the topic or the problems that are based on figure are very easy to understood. Now the last topic, where the problems are based on letters, which we have to take now. Now see, for this we should know about the vowel, we should know about the numbers that each alphabet belongs to. Means A belongs to 1 and Z belongs to 26, and middle numbers in between them. Prime number, square number, we have a knowledge of this, and mirror image and water reflection also should be observed carefully. Okay, now the next practice exercise we will take. Now see, B, F, G, G, I, K, F, H, J and E, G, L. So if you look carefully, you can write A, B, C, D in your rough page. E, F, G, H, I, J. I will just write up to L, because up to L there are sums given to me. Now what is the difference in between B and F? There is a difference of 3 vowel, and F and G only 1 vowel. So is this the pattern all the letters are following? We'll just check. Now G, one left, then I, then one left, then K. So gap of 1 1 is there, means plus 2 is there, means G plus 2 is equal to I plus 2 is equal to K. Now F plus 2 is equal to H plus 2 is equal to J. Now here there should be I, but mistakenly they had written L. E plus 2 is equal to J, G and G plus 2 is equal to I. So all these are following the same pattern except this. So this is the odd term. Okay. Now P S U X I F A D. Again, if you look carefully, in between P and S, Q and R, the two letters missing, means P plus 3 is equal to S, U plus 3 is equal to X, but I minus 3 is equal to F and A plus 3 is equal to AD. So here the wrong term is IF. Okay, so like this you can find out the numbers that are belongs to the alphabet and you can check which one is the odd there. Now when you look carefully, C, H, M, W, give the numbers that belongs to the letter. C is at 3rd position, H is at 8th position, M is at 12th position and W is at 1 second. M is at 13th position and W is at 23rd position. So if you look carefully, 3, 13, 23, all these are the prime numbers but not the 8. 8 is a composite number. So H is the odd term here. Okay. Now some of the sums I will left for you. I will take the other one. Now see. AADH. One second. AADH. A belongs to 1, 1. D belongs to 4. H belongs to 8. C belongs to 3. I belongs to 9. And B belongs to 2 and D belongs to 4. So if you look carefully, 4 2s are 8 but not 3 2s are 6. Ninth number ka letter is given to here, 2 2s are 4 but this and this not follow the pattern. So there may be different pattern. So what is the pattern? If you do the square of first letter, your answer is the second letter. If you do the square of first letter, your answer is the second letter. If you do the square of first letter, your answer is second letter, but not here. So DH is the odd term here. So this is the way you have to think before you solve the sums that are based on letters. So I hope you understood the topic, that is classification, and we will take the correlation analogy in the next lecture. Till then you try to solve the sums that are belongs to practice exercise 2.1, 2.2 and 2.34. Okay, till then goodbye.